And the cool thing for me is that it didn't just make it easier to answer questions. It dramatically increased the number of questions that we would ask and dramatically increased the scale and complexity of the questions that we would dare to ask. Where like, in the old days, back when we were using like BI tools, to ask a question like that, like when investors have invested like in space related companies, that would be like several hours of writing SQL. And so like unless it was really important, you just wouldn't bother.
It's just another example of this instance of Jevons paradox that you get when you remove the amount of back and forth between different teams in order to get a thing done, right? If in order to ask some kind of complex question about YC, I have to go and knock on the data science team's door and wait for them to get it through their backlog. I'm just going to ask far fewer questions.
I mean, there are people out there watching this who work in places that still use it. The majority of people live in that world still, and it's 2026, which is a little unfathomable, actually.